19. Introduction to Modernism. What is modernism? It means present or current, implying as its opposite the notion of earlier of what is past. A second meaning of the word is the new as opposed to the old. Introduction to modern literature. The early modern period of English literature began around 1485. Early modern period or Renaissance period covers around 1500 to 1660. It has four periods: 1558 to 1603 called Elizabethan period, 1603 to 1625 Jacobean age, 1625 to 1649 Carolingian age, 1649 to 1660 Commonwealth period. Early modern literature succeeds medieval literature, and in Europe in partially Renaissance literature. It began around the time the Tudor dynasty came into control of England. The introduction of the printing press in 1476 led to an emphasis on the English language and focus on vernacular literature. This period saw a Reformation movement as the struggle between political power and religion. It often referred to as the Renaissance period in English literature. The second half of the period was an artistic and cultural celebration. Early modern period was marked by humanism. It placed importance human being over divine and supernatural matters. After the fall of Constantinople, Greek texts were brought from Constantinople and copyists multiplied them. Libraries were founded and schools for the study of Greek and Latin opened. A number of Greek humanists moved from Byzantine to Italy. In 1462, the Platonic Academy was opened in Florence. During 16th and 17th centuries, printing grew, readership increased. People wanted to widen their intellectual horizons, leading to more demand for literature. Great humanists Erasmus, John Colet, Sir Thomas More, Thomas Eliot, Roger Ascham. Early modernist writers and their works. Sir Thomas Wyatt and Earl of Surrey wrote sonnets and introduced Teresa Rima of Dante, Horatian satire, blank verse in English literature. Edmund Spenser wrote The Faerie Queene. Philip Sidney wrote Astrophila and Stella. William Shakespeare wrote 37 plays, 154 sonnets, 4 long poems. University wits. Among university wits, Christopher Marlowe is the great writer. John Milton wrote Paradise Lost. Characteristics of early modern English period: instability, the great vowel shift, silence of the consonants, letter variations, grammar, contractions, elisions, standardization. Multiple choice questions. First one: how many sonnets did Shakespeare write? Answer is D. The Elizabethan period covers. Answer is 1558 to 1603. Third one: who wrote the poem called The Faerie Queene? Answer is Edmund Spenser. Who has written the epic called Paradise Lost? Skelton, Moore, Milton, Watt. Answer is C. Milton. Reference books: The History of English Literature, written by M.K. Nayak. Thank you.